Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the wonderful world of coconut oil, a true multitasking miracle straight from the tropics. From cooking to beauty, this natural elixir offers a plethora of benefits that can transform your health and wellness routines. So grab your coconut oil and let's explore 5 amazing uses and health benefits together. Let's kick things off with benefits number 1. Cooking. Coconut oil isn't just a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes, it's also a healthier alternative to other cooking oils. With its high smoke point and unique flavor profile, coconut oil is perfect for sautéing, frying, and baking. Plus, its medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, provide a quick source of energy and can even help boost metabolism. So, whether you're whipping up stir-fries or baking cookies, coconut oil has got you covered. Now let's talk about benefit number 2. Skincare. Say goodbye to expensive moisturizers and hello to the natural goodness of coconut oil. Its rich emollient properties make it a fantastic moisturizer for all skin types, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. Plus, its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritation, combat acne, and promote overall skin health. From head to toe, coconut oil has the power to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Moving on to benefit number 3, hair care. If you're looking to achieve luscious, healthy locks, look no further than coconut oil. Its unique molecular structure allows it to penetrate deep into the hair shaft, nourishing and strengthening from within. Whether you use it as a pre-shampoo treatment, a leave-in conditioner, or a styling aid, coconut oil can help restore shine, reduce frizz, and promote hair growth. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair and hello to coconut-infused brilliance. Last but certainly not least, benefit number 5, weight management. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are created equal, and coconut oil is proof of that. Its medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are metabolized differently in the body compared to other fats, making them a potential tool for weight loss. Studies have shown that incorporating coconut oil into your diet can help curb appetite, boost metabolism, and reduce belly fat. So, if you're looking to trim down, coconut oil might just be your secret weapon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and wellness wisdom. Until next time, take care and stay coconutty.